In this video, we're going to show you all the stages of ceramic coating a new vehicle. Morning! Our first day with the new Porsche Cayenne. Stunning car, really nice colour. It's like a sea blue. I'm sure someone in the comments who's about 8 years old will tell me the exact colour code. But yeah, stunning car, really nice. It has got some swirls on it. It's an ex-demonstration model, so it's going to want a little bit more work than what we'd probably normally expect from a new vehicle. This is classed under our new car package, full decon wash, light machine polish, Gtechniq Ultra ceramic coating and Gtechniq EXO over the top of that. The customer also wants the wheels coating, and we're going to look at protecting the seats as well, because it's a gorgeous interior, but it is pure white, the actual leather seat. So that wants protecting, because you can get colour dye transfer of like jeans and jackets and stuff like that, especially in wet weather. But yeah, all ready to wash. We're going to take it outside now, take you through the process of how to prep the car, ready for ceramic coating, well, machine polishing, then ceramic coating. So we had cars in on the ramp, absolutely freezing up there today, so I do apologise if the film was a little bit rushed. Didn't really want to spend that much time out there. The extra time of filming, there's already quite a lot to do with deconning such a large vehicle. Wheels are off now, they've been cleaned. We've just done a test patch on the bonnet. I'm going to talk you through exactly what we've done. Down the bottom, we first warmed up our pad by priming it, getting a good layer of polish on the pad, and then we've done a single stage paint correction, which looks phenomenal. It's really brought the colour out, it's taken all the swirls out. There is a bit of a stone chip here, sadly, but not much we can really do with that. I think trying to match this colour is going to be near impossible. I think it just make it look worse, but I think overall you won't really see it. Yeah, our favourite combination, our go-to on most cars that 9 out of 10 times work. 3D 1 polish with a Lake Country dark blue pad. Really does the job. So this is our table. dark blue pads. I'm sure these are actually sold as cutting pads, but we use them as polishing pads. Just gives it a little bit more of a bite. And then 3D1, which is just there. Real shame that 3D1's gone. And not that 3D1 has gone, but 3D as a brand is no longer imported into the UK unless someone else is going to do them, like My Car Cleaner or something. The actual UK site is no longer. It's a real shame because we absolutely love the 3D products. We use quite a lot of them. They're polished, compound. There's probably some other bits and bobs that we use. Everything that we've ever used of theirs, we've really been impressed by. So it is a shame to see them leaving the UK. But yeah, it certainly did the job there. So we've just got the rest of the car to do now. I reckon about 5 hours machine polishing today. That'll take us to the end of today. And then tomorrow we'll come in, we'll tidy everything up, get all the compound off, and then we'll be into cleaning the door shuts. And at that point is the ceramic coating then. So a lot to do between then and now. Hopefully we'll be coating this by tomorrow morning is the aim. We'll break off, cut the wheels, and then come back to this to do the EXO. Following day 3, interior, last few bits, glass, putting the wheels back on, dressing the tyres and so on. So yeah, we have got a lot to do. Hopefully the machine polishing is not going to take too long, but we'll crack on with that now. Morning, it is day 2 with the Porsche Cayenne. Yesterday we did all the machine polishing and the first wipe down. 6 hours in total with the wipe down, so I won't fire off what we estimated at all. Today is coating day. That's all we're going to do today basically. This morning we've been in, we've done the door handles, just polished them, and the door shuts, cleaned all the dust out of them from yesterday. Underneath the bonnet, just give that a wipe down as well. It was pretty clean underneath there to begin with, but like the jams and stuff from us polishing, we just need to clean all out. Last thing we want to do is start ceramic coating and then picking up them bits out the jams as we're going along and causing problems. So paint on this looks absolutely phenomenal now. It wasn't bad, a little bit swirled. The colour difference though was phenomenal. So you could tell that the panels that hadn't been machine polished yet had like kind of like a greyish kind of finish to it. Now it looks absolutely phenomenal, as you can see. Loads and loads of blues come out of it. You can really see the flake in the paint now as well. I really like Porsche paint. It's beautiful to work with. They put enough paint on, not like Tesla's where it's super thin and it doesn't give you much to play with. Porsche paint is just nice. It's good quality paint. So we're going to jump straight on now with a last wipe down of Gtechniq panel wipe, just to make sure we've got all the polish and compound off from yesterday. Make sure everything's absolutely 100% for us. Then we're going to go in with Gtechniq Ultra. We'll have a little break from the car at that and go on to coating the wheels in the back. And then we'll be back on with Gtechniq EXO over the Ultra. The roof to ceramic coat as well. It's got a massive glass roof. And you can see that there. So we're going to ceramic coat that as well with Gtechniq glass coating. The owner did ask us to do that. So yeah, it's going to be basically just a full day today. Ceramic coating it. I reckon we're probably going to be about 2 hours doing the Ultra, maybe an hour and a half doing the EXO. The wheels probably another hour and a half. And that'll take us to hometown. So that's the Porsche Cayenne finished and already gone back to the owner. Sadly, we couldn't do this part of the filming before it was collected, so we had to make do with this Aston Martin instead, which is our next job. Overall, fantastic car, really nice car. The blue came out massively from the machine polish. It kind of lost a grey tinge it had, really brought the colour depth out. A lot more blue, a lot more vibrant. All the flake in the paint really stood out a lot more after that machine polish. And then locking it in with that Gtechniq Ultra EXO ceramic coating not only made it look that even nicer, but it's that well protected, it's going to stay looking that nice for as long as possible. On such a large car, the easy cleanability is going to really pay off. It's quite fiddly in certain areas, like around the grille. Again, with the right wash technique and the ceramic coating, it's going to be really easy to keep on top of, especially with the ceramic coated wheels as well. Really nice car, really nice owner, dead pleased with it, and the owner was also really pleased with it as well. So if you'd like to book with us, if you visit our website, we've got loads of information about ceramic coatings as well as other services that we offer. It's also got our contact information. Feel free to give us a call or email us or pop and see us, and we'll talk you through all the ceramic coatings as well as the other services that we offer. And if you'd like your new car or your used car to look as good as this one, then please do book with us.